How to delete your archive on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your archive on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here go to your profile by click on those three lines up there, or you can easily click on your profile icon, and here you're gonna find those 3 points, click on it. And all you need to do now is click on archive, which is the third option. And here you're gonna find story archive, and you're gonna find the list of all your posts, your archive posts, photos, anything. Just click on trash and you're gonna delete all your archive. And this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.